Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice math problem, which is 8 to the power 5 plus 8 to the power 4 plus 8 to the power of 3 plus 8 to the power of 2 plus 8 to the power of 1, then plus 8 to the power of 0, and no use of calculators. So let's provide a solution from here. So we can express 8 to the power 5. This is 8 to the power of 4 plus 1, then plus 8 to the power of 4, then plus 8 to the power of 3, which you can express as 2 plus 1, then plus 8 to the power of 2, then plus 8 to the power of 1, then plus 8 to the power of 0. Now we have that a to the power of 0, this is the same thing as 1. So this implies that 8 to the power of 0, this is the same thing as 1. So we substitute 1 here. Now 8 to the power of 4 plus 1, this is in the form of 8 to the power of n plus m, which we can express as 8 to the power of n times 8 to the power of m. Applying this exponent property, then we have 8 to the power of 4 times 8 to the power of 1 plus 8 to the power of 4, then plus, the same case here, we have 8 to the power of 2 times 8 to the power of 1 plus 8 to the power of 2, then plus, here we have 8 to the power of 1, which is 8, then plus 1. Now 8 to the power of 4 is common here. We can factor out 8 to the power of 4 into the parentheses. This is 8 plus, here we have 1, cross the parentheses, then plus. Now here we have 8 to the power of 2 is common. We factor out 8 to the power of 2, so that here we have 8 plus 1, cross the parentheses, then plus 8 plus 1, this is 9. The next step is that we have 8 to the power of 4 into the parentheses. This is 8 plus 1, which is 9. Then plus 8 to the power of 2 multiplied by 8 plus 1, which is 9. Then plus 9. The next step is that we can express 8 to the power of 4. This is the same thing as 8 to the power of 2 plus 2 multiplied by 9. Then plus 8 to the power of 2 multiplied by 9, then plus 9. Now we can express 8 to the power of 2 plus 2. This is the same thing as 8 to the power of 2 multiplied by 8 to the power of 2 multiplied by 9, multiplied by 9 here, then plus 8 to the power of 2 multiplied by 9, then plus 9. So we have 8 to the power of 2, and 8 to the power of 2 is common here. So we can factor out 8 to the power of 2 into the parentheses. This is 8 to the power of 2. Then plus, here we have 1, everything here, multiplied by 9, then plus 9. So we have that 8 squared, this is the same thing as 64. Into the parentheses, this is 64 plus 1 multiplied by 9, then plus 9. So we can express 64. This is the same thing as 60 plus 4. Then here we have 60 plus 4 plus 1, cross the parentheses, everything here multiplied by 9, then plus 9. So this is the same thing as 60 plus 4, cross the parentheses, multiplied by 60 plus 4 plus 1, this is 5, then everything here multiplied by 9, then plus 9. Now the next step from here, we can let 60 to be equal to u. So let's substitute 60 with u, so that now here we have u plus 4 multiplying by u plus 5, everything here multiplying by 9 plus 9. Now let's expand this equation here. So this is u multiplying by u plus 5, then plus 4 multiplying by u plus 5, everything here multiplying by 9, then plus 9. So this is u times u. This is actually equal to u to the power of 2, then plus u times 5. This is 5u, then plus 4 times u. This is 4u, then plus 4 times 5. This is equal to 20. Cross the parentheses, multiplying by 9, then plus 9. So we have u squared plus 5u plus 4u. This is 9u, then plus, here we have 20, everything here multiplying by 9, then plus 9. So we have 9 times u squared. This is 9u squared, then plus 9u times 9. This is 81u, then plus 20 times 9. This is equal to 180, then plus 9. Now, if you recall, we are saying that let 60 be equal to u. So let's substitute u with 60, so that we have 9 multiplying by 60 raised to the power of 2, then plus 81 times 60, then plus 180 plus 9. This is 189. So this is 9 times 60 squared. This is 3600, then plus 81 times 60 plus 189. So we have 3600 multiplying by 9. This is 0 times 9. This is 0. Here we also have 0. 9 times 6. This is 54. So we have 4, carry 5. Then 9 times 3. This is 27 plus 5. This is 32. So we have 32,400. So this is 32,400 plus, now we have 81 multiplying by 60. This is 0. 1 times 6. This is 6. 8 times 6. This is 48. So this is 4,860. 4,860, then plus 189. So this implies we have 32,400 plus, this is 48,60, then plus 189. So this is 0 plus 9. This is 9. 6 plus 8. This is 14. 4, carry 1 here. Now we have 8. 8 plus 4. This is 12 plus 1, 13 plus 1. This is 14. 4, carry 1 here. Then we have 4 plus 2. This is 6 plus 1. This is 7. Then 3. So we have 37,449. And this is the solution to this math problem. This is the solution to this math problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Please like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.